Hello, I'm Masaru. In this issue, I will introduce 4 tips for making excellent fried udon noodles, yaki udon, a staple of Japanese home cooking. Many people spoil the taste of this dish because they do not know these simple tips. Anyone can make exquisite fried udon noodles by watching this video. It is very easy, so please watch to the end. Ingredients and quantities are given in the summary section. So let's get started with the cooking. First, cut the vegetables. Cut the leeks diagonally about 1 centimeter wide. Here's the first tip. Cut vegetables into appropriate sizes. This is because cutting vegetables into appropriate sizes allows you to enjoy the texture. Cut the carrots. Cut carrots slightly thinner to improve the heat. Carrots add sweetness, flavor, and color to the dish. Cut the cabbage into bite-sized pieces. If you cook the cabbage too finely, they will lose their texture. A rough cut is also fine. Next, cut the pork. Here's the second tip. That is to use pork belly. The fat from the pork belly soaks into the noodles, increasing their flavor. Cut the pork belly into bite-sized pieces and season with salt and pepper. This basic meat preparation process is also very important. Now let's stir-fry the ingredients. Heat oil in a frying pan. Stir-fry the pork. Once the pork is browned, add the carrots and cabbage. Carrots are tough, so it's best to fry them first. In Japan, yaki udon is usually eaten at home, not in restaurants. I have fond memories of my mother often making this dish when I was hungry late at night. This dish reminds me of my mother's cooking. Add leeks and stir fry. The reason is that the leeks add flavor, sweetness, and savory aroma. Add the udon noodles. Add a small amount of sake to the udon noodles to make them easier to break up. In this dish, boiled udon noodles are used, but frozen udon noodles can also be used. Thaw frozen udon noodles before use. Once the noodles are loosened, season them. Add soy sauce and oyster sauce. Add granulated bonito soup stock and mirin. Here's the third tip. The third tip is to use oyster sauce. Some yaki udon noodles are made with Worcestershire sauce, but oyster sauce is more flavorful and tastier. Toss the vegetables and udon noodles with the sauce. Add pepper. Add dried bonito flakes, katsuobushi. Here I will tell you the fourth tip. The fourth tip is to use plenty of bonito flakes. The flavor and umami from the dried bonito flakes will match the udon and add depth to the flavor. Mix the bonito flakes all over the udon noodles. Arrange on a plate to complete the dish. The dashi and sauce will be perfectly intertwined in the yaki udon. This is truly the taste of Japanese home cooking. It's mouth-watering. Now, let's eat.